Hello. One of the most common errors I've heard a lot of my students and people that have worked around SQL Server give to me is an error that their server is not connecting. And this is what it does in some of these issues. So for this particular error, this is what happens. If I attempt to connect my SQL Server, or when they attempt to connect the SQL Server, it gives them a very, flamboyant excuse. Let's just give it a second. Okay, so after a while it takes to load, it tells me cannot connect to my server name and then gives me a whole lot of other, reasons that I cannot. All right, so I'm just going to do quickly what do we do. All right, so simple. First off, you want to come to your search and you search for services. Okay, you want to search for services and select that, or some persons will tell you right click on your Windows icon and go to run. Right click on your Windows icon and go to run and search services.msc. Okay, so whichever, or you use Windows R to quickly access the run, and you have services.msc. You select OK. Okay, so it gives you the list of services that are active or that are available on your system, whether active or inactive. Right now, you want to go down to where you have your SQL servers. Now you can see that my server is not running the way the others are running and is set on manual. Right, so you can check whatever is the issue. Maybe it's not on manual, it's on disabled, but it's actually not running. Right, same thing with my agent, my SQL Server agent. Now you may not have the same name with what I have here if you're using the Express edition, but this is developer, but it's the same step. So you want to double click to open this window and then change the startup type to automatic, and then start the process. Okay, and let's do the same thing for the server agent. Let me say delete start it. Okay, and okay, so I now have them running. Let me go back to my server and try to connect again. So works perfectly, and I have my databases here. All right, I hope this helps and relieves someone of that fear of this error.